Can you mentally find out what is 13 times 12 in 3 seconds, that is? I know that you can, so give it a try. Your time starts now. Your time's over. Well, if your answer was 156, then that's terrific because you are calculating faster than the calculator. In case you could not calculate at all, not to worry, for you know that in next 4 minutes you'll be able to multiply any numbers closer to base 10 in less than 3 seconds. So let's see the usual way of multiplying 13 with 12. So 2 3 times is 6, 2 1 times is 2, 1 3 times is 3, 1 1 times is 1. Now add the numbers in the column. So 6, 3 plus 2 is 5, and this is 1. I know you must be getting impatient. You must be saying that cut this harder way. I'm already sick and tired of it. Show me the smarter way. So here is your smarter way. The smarter way of multiplying 13 with 12 is the same base method of multiplication that we learnt in the last class. And yes, you guessed it right, the base here is 10. So since 12 is 2 more than the base, so add this 2 to this entire number. 13 plus 2 is correct, 15. And since base 10 has 1 0, so there is one place more to go. 3 2 times is 6, and that's your answer. So let's take one more example, and this time you try to solve it. Okay, there you go. What is 13 times 13? So first thing you did was to add this 3 to this entire number. 13 plus 3 is 16, and 3 3 times is 9, so the answer is 169. Okay, so let's take one more example, and be careful this time because I'm going to set up a trap for you. What is, let's say, 16 times 12? Add this 2 to 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. Now 6 2 times is 12, and you know that 12 is a 2-digit number. So, and there is only one place here to go, so carry forward 1, write 2 here. So the answer is 192. See, these are very common operations. No matter what question of mathematics you are trying to solve, you have to multiply the numbers. So if you know these techniques, then you'll be able to multiply quickly and correctly. One of the many advantages of using these easy cal tricks is that you can use the same trick for so many other numbers and situations with just slight modification. So tell me, what would be the base here when you have to multiply 23 with 21? Did you say 20? Yes, that is precisely what the base is. You take 20 as the secondary base. Okay, now the same process again. Add this 1 to this entire number. What is 1 plus 23? It is 24. But before you put down 24 here, you have to double it up. Double of 24 is 48. Now why do we double up? Because the secondary base 20 is 2 times the primary base, isn't it? 2 times 10 is 20. So we just add this digit to this entire number, but before we put down the answer, we just double it up. Now for the last digit, 3 1 times is 3, so we write 3 here. So the answer is 483. So okay, now this time you do it, and that too mentally. Okay, so tell me, what is 24 times 21? Give it a try. So once again, add this 1 to 24. 24 plus 1 is 25, and before you write down 25, you have to double it up. So 25 2 times is 50. So write 50 here. Now one more digit to go. 4 1 times is 4. So the answer is 504. Now using the same logic, can you tell me what would be 106 times 101? So once again add this one to this entire number. 106 plus 1 is 107, and we get the first 3 digits of our answer. Now 2 more to go. So 6 times 1 is 6. So we put 06 here. That is our answer. 10,706. As simple as that. Now I'm sure this time you have figured out what I have done, isn't it? All I have done is taken the base as 100. Right. So 101 is at the distance of 1 from 100. So quickly add this one to this entire number and you'll get the first 3 digits of your answer. Well, even if you add this 6 to this entire number, 6 plus 101, you are still going to get 107. So with this method you can never go wrong. So you can absolutely relax. Okay, now for the last 2 digits, because base 100 has 2 zeros, so I know that there would be 2 more digits to go. All I do is multiply those distance. So I multiply this 6 with this one. 6 times 1 is 6. So I write 06 here. So now quickly find out what is 112 times 102. Quickly. The answer would be 11424. Add this to 112, it would be 114. Now 2 more digits to go. So 12 2 times is 24. So you put 24 here. Now tell me, isn't that incredible that you are multiplying a 3-digit number with another 3-digit number in few seconds, and that too mentally? So far the numbers that we have multiplied, they were all above the base, isn't it? Like these 2 numbers, they are above the base 100. That is, they are more than that. Now in the next video we would be taking the other situations as well. That is, that when both the numbers are below the base, like 98 times let's say 94, they are both below the base 100, and when one number is above and one number is below the base, let's say 104 times 93, this is above the base, this is below the base. So we'll be practicing all these types of examples. The method remains almost the same.